Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is,
Why is it important to do multiple trials of a titration instead of only one trial? The answer of the question is, it is important to do multiple trials of a titration for the following reasons. 1. Accuracy. Multiple trials help ensure that your results are accurate. Variability in technique, measurement error, and inconsistencies in drop size can affect the outcome of a single trial. By performing multiple trials, you can identify outliers and average your results for a more accurate final value. 2. Precision. Repeated trials will allow for the consistency of results to be tested. If multiple trials give similar results, it suggests that the procedure is reliable. A consistent pattern increases confidence in the measurements and indicates that random errors are minimized. 3. Error reduction. Small experimental errors are inevitable, but performing multiple trials reduces the impact of these errors on the final result. If one trial is off due to a mistake, additional trials help compensate for it. 4. Statistical validity. In scientific experiments, replicability is key. By conducting several trials, the data can be analyzed statistically to determine the reliability and significance of the results, leading to better conclusions. Overall, multiple trials help ensure that your titration results are both accurate and reliable, improving the quality and trustworthiness of your experiment. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.